From London to Atlanta, them they hear the sound of Igbo high life. We guitar where they speak like onion na oche. Will someone they make culture come alive? He know they forget his people. He know they forget you where he come from. Every track na lesson, a blessing. He they teach moral like Proverbs strong. Will someone you menala. You they live the go culture higher. I like it my idea for diaspora. Your music na life where they inspire. Will someone you menala. You they live the go culture higher. I like it my idea for diaspora. Your music na life where they inspire. He join Afrobeat with Opokolo rhythm. He blend tradition with modern system. Every beat gets message, every line get wisdom. Now so he they carry the young ones along. He they talk about unity and respect. Hard work, family and pride way correct. Anytime he touch stage, culture resurrect. Now God give him the talent where they reflect.